Hello everyone. Today we talk about Lab 7. Lab 7 is special, nothing special actually, but you need to use another library. So instead of the usual user library that you have, doesn't matter if it's BC or CC or DC or BD or BC, um, you create something else. And this is my library here. I already have it, but just that after I don't know how many times of reloading, so I lost the library again, so I need to add it again. This is just what it is. When you display file, you don't see um, the additional library that I have here. But it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter where you put it, as long as you can see it. So here we go. Wow. This is what I have here. This is lab 7. So first of all, you need to copy library some library files here. So let me just add back my own BCUB29. And what happens here is we need to copy these two files. In fact, let me see how to access that. Sales staff. Okay, I typed wrong. All right, it's right here. So what happens here is, let me press this F9, F20. F20 should be Shift F8. Right, this is what we have here. 5 entries and 5 guys. All right, so we have another one. Salestrans. Here we have 6 records. And obviously it looks problematic, right? So a lot of info is missing, and you need to do something about it. So we need to do something called copying files. So let me use all caps. Copy file from file course library to file. This is my library. Sales staff, save as sales staff 2. Member operation, replace, or it could be add. When you have nothing there, then you should use add. But basically, you can also do this on RDI. So it's just that when I type here, it's a little bit more obvious. So create file, you type yes. So this is it. Yeah, this is basically it. I've already copied my own files, so I have the 3 of them. Let me see. Lab 7. This is the printer file. I think this is a given. You don't need to write this. And then RPG. You need to write this. And then the CL program. You also need to write this. So let's do the. Maybe I should go through the CL program first. So what happens here is we delete file. We delete the file of this one. So let's look at what it is. This is the same thing that I have just now. This one. Yeah. And see, we have copy file again. So this driver So this time, this CL program is also necessary, just like what we had in back in Lab 6, because it's a whole bunch of commands here. So of course, it's just more handy to have it as a whole driver program itself. So you copy from the course library salesstaff to save it as salesstaff2 with replace, because you wouldn't assume add, but you would use replace. And add library, well, we always add this library. And clroutq is also cleaning up those spool files again. And we also have the override printer file again. This time we have something else, qp, whatever. And another printer file override here. And override the database file as well. So the database file, let's recall this. Sales, is it? No, it's sales staff. Should be sales staff. So this is the database file. And display the spooled files and wrkoutq. So let's just run it. Maybe I opened it, so I need to close the files. It doesn't run for some reason. Okay, anyway, I think my program crashed. I cannot. Oh my gosh. Let me take time to fix this. Okay. For some reason, it was so weird. I cannot run this. So let me take time to fix this.